We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hi guys, in this tutorial we will discuss about standard lighting in 3ds Max. Let's make the scene more realistic appearance. Lighting enhances the clarity and three-dimensionality of a scene. Different kinds of light objects cast shadow in different ways, emulating different kind of real-world light sources. When there are no light in a scene, the scene is shaded or rendered with default lighting. 3ds Max provides two types of lights, photometric and standard light. Here we discuss only about standard lights. Standard lights are computer-based objects that simulates lights such as household office lamp. The light instrument used in stage and film work and sun itself. Go to Create panel and click on Lights and select Standard Light from this drop-down list. Here we will demonstrate an Omni light comes under Object Type panel. Place the light in the scene like this. Omni light will shine in all directions. Select the light and go to Modify tab for editing the light parameters. Under General Parameter, Rollout, click on Light On Off. Then click on the Shadows. We have an option for excluding an object in the scene from the light source. Under Intensity Color Attenuation Rollout, we can adjust the voltage in multiplier and color of the light. Adjust the color of the light. Under Shadow Parameters Roller, you can adjust the shadow color. And also adjust the density of the shadow. Thanks for watching this video.